Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Dollar Tree book haul for you again. These are the books that we found the other day whenever we went. They actually had a bunch of new ones in, so the first one we picked up was this Burlesque Baking, which originally retailed for £9.99 in the UK, $16.95 in the US. This gives you different little cake and cupcake recipes and tips on how to decorate them. So like they have these cute little rose cupcakes. So I thought that one was cute. We picked that up. Set that off to the side. I found this one, which is really nice. It's called Raw Desserts. This one originally went for $16.95 in the US. And it is all different recipes that don't require any baking or cooking. Like this one looks really good. This is a succulent strawberry pie. So if you're someone who's on a raw food diet or you're just looking to eat a little bit healthier, we have summer coming up, so fresh fruits and veggies are going to be a lot easier to get our hands on. They have some really good desserts in here. They've got let's see, these are chocolate chip cookies, raw chocolate chip cookies. They look pretty good. They have a lot of ice cream recipes in the front of it that looked nice. So that's a good one to be on the lookout for. Then they had quite a few New York themed books. The first one, this is the Hamptons and Long Island Homegrown Cookbook. That's what this one looks like. And this one, let's see, was $30 US, $19.99 UK, and $33 in Canada. And so this one gives an overview of different family farms that are around the New York area, and then they give you different recipes. And they have pictures of all of them, which is really nice. They have a lot of seafood and pasta dishes in here also. So that one was a good one to pick up for $1. The second New York themed one, this one is NY Cooks. It says 100 recipes from the city's best chefs. This one was originally $29.95 in the US and $38.95 in Canada. So they go by the chefs. They have an interview with them and they tell what restaurant they cook at in New York, and then they get into their favorite recipes. Looks like this one is really good. This is pan-seared sea scallops with sugar snap peas. They give pictures of the recipes, which I really like. So we picked that one up. The last on the New York themed books is this really heavy one here, and it is Jamie, New York. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It says 150 culinary destinations for food lovers, and this one actually still had the plastic on it at the store, so you couldn't even look inside. And it originally retailed for $45 in the US and $52 in Canada. This is a big, heavy, thick, hardback book. But this would be really good if you know someone who's gonna go to New York for vacation or somebody who's moving there. This is a really big foodie. It gives you the addresses of these different restaurants that are in New York, and then it tells you about that restaurant, and then it gives you like their specialty dishes, and it does show pictures of the food and everything. So this is a really nice book. And then if you get to the back page here, this is a little travel-sized version of the big book that you can take with you like in your purse or whatever whenever you're walking around. So that is really, really nice, especially for someone who is going to be traveling when things open back up. So $45 to get it for $1. Heck yeah, I'm picking it up. So then we have this chic and unique vintage cakes. This is all about decorating cakes. So they give you the different tools that you will need. They tell you how to make like gum paste and fondant. And then like this is a cake that looks like a little makeup box or a trinket box, but it tells you how to really intricately decorate cakes. That's a telephone cake. So I thought that was really nice. I'm getting into cake decorating and cookie decorating, and I'm always trying to learn new things. So this one retailed for $15.99 UK, $24.99 in the US, and then $25.99 in Canada. I will be putting that one to use. And the binding is a little bit messed up on this one, but this is called the Gluten-Free Revolution. Thought we would try that. I suffer from migraines. I heard that sometimes going gluten-free can help with that, so we might try some recipes out of here. This originally retailed for $17.99 in the US. They have recipes for smoothies, and they get into breakfast recipes. This is tropical pineapple yogurt with toasted macadamia nuts and coconut. That looks really good. And then they get into some like regular meal recipes here. There's fake sloppy joes. And then if you look on these, they're gluten-free, but then also some of them will have a little tag on the side that says they are also vegan recipes. So like right here it says this is a vegan option, which I thought was also really, really good. So we picked that one up. We're definitely going to be trying some stuff out of there and see if it helps. Then there was this one called the Wine Lovers Cookbook. I thought this one was nice. My whole kitchen is decorated in a wine theme. This one originally, let's see, where's the price on this? Was $24.95 in the US, but what it does is it breaks down, it gives you a type of wine, tells you where it comes from, what it tastes like, and then it gives you a list of recipes that will pair well with it. So let's see if I can find one here. So this one is for Pinot Grigio. It explains where it comes from, what it's supposed to taste like, and then some of the recipes it gives that are supposed to pair well with it are marinated mussels and roasted red bell peppers. There's some grilled salmon with roasted poblano lime butter. Now this one doesn't give pictures of the recipes, it just gives you the recipe. But I thought that was a really nice one to try. I'm always looking to try new wines and different food pairings. And then the very last book that we found was this one, and it still had a tag from the original store on it that says $10.68, but it actually originally retailed on the back here for $16.99 in the US and $19.99 in Canada. But this is called the Robin Takes 5 Cookbook for Busy Families. Over 200 recipes, 5 ingredients or less for breakfast, school lunch, after school snacks, family dinners, and desserts. So these are all like quick fix meals and snacks. So there's a Hawaiian chicken salad with pineapple and pepper jack cheese, which sounds really good. And then they also have a little box off to the side which gives you your what is it, like your little panel that's on the back of your box, but it tells you like how many calories are in each dish, how much fat, saturated fat, cholesterol, carbs, protein, fiber, and sodium. So like for that recipe, all you need is cubed cooked chicken breast, diced pineapple, pepper jack cheese, mayonnaise, parsley, and salt and pepper. Easy enough. Then there's figs stuffed with cream cheese and raisins. These are for like the snack options. Then we get into some of the meals. There is shredded barbecue chicken with apple slaw. And that one, again, all of these 5 ingredients or less, and cooking times are super quick. It's like 30 minutes or less on these. I think the most I've seen so far was 25 minutes. So really good if you know a busy mom, or if you are a busy mom who's looking for some quick, easy recipes. And all of the ingredients that are in here are stuff that you can pick up at Walmart or your local grocery store. There's nothing that's going to be really hard to find. So that would be a great gift. So for $1, I did not add up how much I would have spent on all of these books, but with that one being $45 originally, it's probably close to, if not over $100. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 books. So I paid $8 and then change for those. Not bad at all. So be on the lookout for good cookbooks at your local Dollar Tree, even good storybooks or educational books for my daughter that I found to help supplement her schoolwork. Dollar Tree is a really great place to look, and these are books that have come from like regular bookstores or regular retail stores like maybe Walmart or Target or somewhere, because some of them you will find still have the regular store sticker on them. So just keep your eyes peeled. That's all that we have for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and check out some more of our videos. If you are subscribed, thanks for being a subscriber, and share it with someone else who maybe likes books or is getting into cooking. Maybe they would want to enjoy this. And be on the lookout for some of these books at their Dollar Tree. And we have, let's see, we have cooking videos, we have haul videos, we have craft videos, and we have more things that are going to be coming up. So thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.